Everest Base Camp Trek 15 days.
Everest Base Camp Trek is an epic adventure and a great opportunity for you to explore this little world of mountains. But it offers so much more than just views. You can see beautiful mountain ranges such as Mount Everest, Lhotse, Nuptse, Makalu, and Cho Oyu, experience diverse flora and fauna in the Sagarmatha National Park, interact with the unique culture of Sherpa people like rituals and hospitality. Moreover, a well-developed trekking trail, offering plenty of facilities for accommodation and meals, the height of Kala Pathar, and the unforgettable Sherpa hospitality make Everest Base Camp Trek a perfect getaway and a dream vacation for most of the avid trekkers around the globe. 15 days Everest Base Camp Trek by Amigo Treks and Expedition is a standard package that ensures the benefit of the full board, meal and accommodation during the trek and bed and breakfast in Kathmandu at a 3-star standard hotel, English-speaking guide, and a free map. This package also includes a day tour of the UNESCO World Heritage Site in Kathmandu. However, the package can be customized to your requirements, budget, and departure date, guaranteed departure on every chosen date. Come in a group and enjoy special group discounts. The trip starts with a 30 to 35-minute flight to Lhotse from Kathmandu. From Lhotse, up till the base camp is on foot. If you are looking to spend more splendid days in Nepal, go for Everest 3 High Passes Trek 19 days or even Everest Base Camp Trek with Gokyo Lake and Chola Pass 18 days.
Our attempt to avoid altitude sickness.
Climb high, sleep low, is the rule one needs to follow to avoid altitude sickness. Therefore, apart from 2 days of acclimatization, at Nuptse and Dingboche, to aid the acclimatization process, we hike a little higher than our overnight stop and get down for overnight rest.
Note:
although we try to depart on the scheduled itinerary, we cannot promise to guarantee fixed departure only in case of flight cancellation, delays. Thus, we request you to plan out extra few days in case the weather does not stay in our favor. Since your safety is our uttermost priority, we also request you to follow your team leaders and your guides since they are trained and experienced in this particular area. The weather in the Himalayas is also subject to change, which can impede your travels. Because obstacles are unpredictability, Amigo Treks and Expedition assists our customers in arranging helicopter service if necessary, at extra cost. We can arrange helicopter service in the event of flight delays or cancellations, as well as for personal preferences. Because helicopters can fly in more difficult conditions than airplanes.
Outline itinerary.
Day 1, Arrival in Kathmandu. Day 2, Kathmandu Valley sightseeing and trek preparation. Day 3, Kathmandu liquefacting. Day 4, trek from Phakting to Namche Bazaar. Day 5, Namche Bazaar, a day for acclimatization. Day 6, trek from Namche Bazaar to Dingboche. Day 7, trek from Dingboche to Dingboche. Day 8, second acclimatization day of the trek, Dingboche. Day 9, trek from Dingboche to Lhotse. Day 10, trek to Gorak Shep Everest Base Camp, Gorak Shep. Day 11, hike to Kala Pathar Farish. Day 12, trek to Namche Bazaar. Day 13, trek to Lhotse. Day 14, fly back to Kathmandu. Day 15, farewell day.
Package includes
airport pickup and drop-off service by a private vehicle. 3 nights, twin-sharing accommodation in Kathmandu at 3-star standard hotel, with breakfast. Full-day guided city tour in Kathmandu, Day 2, by a private vehicle. Welcome and farewell dinner at one of the typical Nepalese restaurants, with traditional, ethnic music and dance. Airport transfer for domestic flight. Sagarmatha National Park entrance permit and TIMS permit. Kathmandu Lhotse Kathmandu flight tickets and departure tax. 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, during the trek. All accommodations on a trek, lodge tea house. For hot showers, attached bathroom, while on a trek. Fresh seasonal fruits, every day after dinner, while on a trek. Tea coffee, served in a cup. Purified drinking water, except at Gorakshep and Lobush, during the trek as much as you need. Government licensed and well-trained English-speaking guide and his entire expenses. Porters, 1 porter for every 2 members, and his entire expenses. Insurance of guide and porter. All required local and government taxes. Down jackets and sleeping bags, if required. Amigo trekking t-shirt and trekking route map, as a souvenir. Adventure certificate. First aid service, basic. Oximeter, to determine your oxygen level.
Package excludes
Nepal arrival visa. Meals in the city, except breakfast and other mentioned special dinners. Personal expenses like all kinds of drinks including mineral water, alcohol, and soft beverages. Extra hot showers, Wi-Fi and battery charging service charge on a trek. Extra baggage excess while flying to Lhotse, only 15 kilograms included. Extra porter if you required. Monument entrance fees while on a tour in Kathmandu, approximate $26 per person. Your travel insurance that covers helicopter evacuation. Any other extended trips and accommodation. Tipping to staff as an appreciation.
If you need any further information, please contact us at info@amigotrekking.com or visit www.amigotrekking.com. Thank you.